You wanted cocktail, did you?
I think I might get a. I'm going to have an espresso martini.
Good, all good. Let me know.
How's it, mate?
Beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. I made a mess. A story of my life. I'm not even drunk. I'm just acting.
You shot you. It's supposed to be single, but I just did double, you know?
You're loving that, aren't you?
What's it say?
Good.
Yeah.
Oh, and can I also have a virgin ginger? My wife wants a virgin ginger. You want a virgin ginger, no jito?
This one, virgin ginger.
No jito.
No jito. Right. That means no alcohol.
No mojo. You don't have letter to it? I've got the music. What's with the gloves? Why do you wear gloves?
Chef.
Hygiene.
Hygiene.
Yeah.
You doctor?
Say hi.
Hello. How are you? How are you? I'm good. How are you? Last day. Boss. Strict boss.
Oh, you have to behave.
Never behave.
You know what they used to say? If you can't behave, be careful.
I'll go down. Here you are, madame.
Benaka.